guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Siyempre kasama ko na naman si Biyahe ni Van. Siyempre, this video is a heads up on what our next series is about. So previously, if you haven't watched it yet, we did a series on backpacking on certain parts of Panay Island. We've been to Tibiao, Libertad, Antique,
Buruanga,
Pandan, Buruanga. We did that for about 5 days.
5 days.
During the Holy Week. So ang ganda ng series na yan. I'm gonna link the playlist in the description if gusto nyong panoorin. Ang ganda. Ang dami naming pinuntahan. So right now, syempre bagong series na naman yung yung gagawin namin for this time. Ban, anong mga area?
3 islands ang pupuntahan namin. Famous islands dito sa Antique. Meron isa sa Colasi, which is Mararison. And then another one in Tibiao, which is Seco Island. And another one, Batbatan Island.
Yes.
Kulasi pa rin. Papakita namin kung anong mga makikita nyo underwater, and especially sa Mararison and Seco Island, and also sa Batbatan.
Ipapakita namin lahat. We're gonna show you everything that there is on those islands. Kagaya ng sabi ni Ivan, underwater kung ano makikita mo. Because those islands doesn't just offer the beaches. Siyempre, maganda na yung mga beaches na doon. Pero we're gonna show you a different side naman ng mga islands na yon.
Actually, Seco Island, medyo malapit na siya sa Palawan area, no?
Yes, sobrang layo na.
Medyo malayo siya. It's around 2 to 3 hours pag nag-boat ride ka papunta sa area na yon.
Yes.
And famous siya kasi sa sandbar. And also, yung Mararison, kilala rin siya sa sandbar niya.
25 years ago, yung Mararison actually is being compared second to Boracay Island. So, if you haven't been there, we're gonna show you why it's being compared to Boracay before, nung wala pang mga resorts doon. Also, syempre may mga ibang islands din doon na ipakita namin sa inyo, yung Batbatan Island. Different style naman siya. Kasi, usually, if island, syempre mga corals, mga ganun, yung Batbatan Island, iba naman, bird sanctuary siya.
Exactly.
Tomorrow na yung yung lakad namin doon. And as you can see, andito kami sa
Kalawag Mountain Resort.
Yes, Kalawag Mountain Resort. Nag-overnight kami dito. Kami na namang dalawa dito.
Solo namin.
Solo na naman namin.
Solo na naman namin
oh my
yung
God.
place. Thank you so much para kay Sir Lord.
Sir Lord, yes. And thank you so much for allowing us to be part of the activity. The activity for those islands, the 3 islands na mention namin, actually it's a clean up sa mga beaches. Kasama namin yung mga Coast Guard. And then, hopefully, we have enough time to show you underwater scenery sa mga islands na yon. And then sabi daw ni Sir Lord, yung mga kasama namin na mga Coast Guard is gonna bring some equipments for scuba diving. Hopefully,
makaka-dive.
Yes.
Ma-document natin and makakasama tayo sa dive.
Yes, ayan. So, if you're not yet subscribed kayo sa channel for the next series na gagawin namin. And then, make sure that you follow my social media accounts, Pads, and then